Hey, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. I am back with yet another refreshing detox juice. This one is carrot, ginger, and pineapple. So stay with me and let's get started. Now, we're firstly going to begin by thoroughly washing our carrots with cold water. Please ensure that you wash your fruit and vegetable really well with cold water. Next, once you have finished washing your carrots using a vegetable peeler, I am going to go ahead and peel my carrots, and then I will set the carrots aside. As I have finished peeling my carrots, I'm going to move on to the next ingredient, which is going to be ginger. Again, thoroughly wash your ginger with cold water, and then using a knife, go ahead and peel the ginger using a knife. And then I'm going to also add the ginger to the carrots, and then I'll set this aside. And I have finished peeling my ginger, so I have my carrots and ginger ready, so I'm just setting this aside for later use. Next, I'm moving on to my pineapple. Again, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I wash my pineapple thoroughly with cold water. I have finished washing my pineapple. I've placed it on a chopping board, and using a sharp knife, I'm just going to go ahead and peel the skin off the pineapple. Guys, when you peel the skin off your pineapple, do not discard the skin, because pineapple skin actually has great health benefits. If you boil this and drink it, it contains vitamin C. It helps combat many diseases as well. So what I normally do is, once I peel the skin off, I actually put the skin in a plastic bag, and then a plastic food bag, and then I place it in my freezer and freeze it. So anytime I'm making sobolo, also known as zobo, I add the pineapple skin, including the bottom part and also the head of the pineapple. So it's entirely up to you. You can do this, but this is what I do. I don't throw it away at all. I'll boil it with my sobolo, and like I said, it has great health benefits as well. So I'm now slicing and also dicing my pineapple into chunks. I'll then place this into a bowl, and then I'll set this aside for later use. So this is my pineapple skin, which I have put it into food bag, and as you can see, I have kept the head and I've kept the skin as well. So I'm just going to freeze this, and anytime I'm making my zobo or sobolo, I'm going to add this pineapple skin to it. Next, I'm going to move on to the final ingredient, which is my lemon. I'm not going to add too much lemon to this detox juice, so I'm only going to add 1 lemon, and I've washed it thoroughly with water, and now using a sharp knife, I am peeling the lemon. Guys, if you can't peel a lemon like this, please use a chopping board. Also, once you have finished peeling a lemon, slice into 2 and ensure that you have removed the seed, because if your seed is in there and you blend it, it can be very bitter, and I don't really like that. So once you have everything ready, go ahead and add all your ingredients to your juicer and blend away. Also guys, if you don't have a juicer, you can certainly use a blender to make your detox juice. All you would need to do is ensure that you use a sieve or a nut milk bag to just extract the juice. Once I have blended, my ingredients, I go ahead and add it to a decanter jug, and then I continue to blend until all my vegetables and fruits are done. And as simple as ABC, my detox juice is ready, which I cannot wait to enjoy. As always, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and also share this video. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.